Hi guys, so this video will be focusing on studies into the effects of media on prosocial behaviour. So the last video was on explanations such as social learning theory, so go check that out. And this is studies. So the first study is Sprafkin. So Sprafkin's study demonstrates the possible prosocial effects the media can have on children. He found that a group of 6-year-olds who watched an episode of Lassie in which a boy was seen risking his life in order to rescue a puppy from a mine shaft, this group spent 90 seconds helping the puppies in a situation where they chose to stop playing a game and could have won a prize, demonstrating altruistic behaviour. This demonstrates how they imitated the prosocial behaviour seen prior. Compare this to a group who watched different episodes where no helping behaviour was involved, and a control group of viewing comedy. The participants only spent an average of less than 50 seconds. AO2. This is strong supporting evidence for the effects of media on prosocial behaviour, as the children seemed to imitate specific acts they had seen, such as helping dogs in trouble. This indicates that the media can have positive effects on child's prosocial behaviour, such as autism, which can be learnt from prosocial media. However, the study can be criticised. The study seems to only find a correlation between social learning and prosocial behaviour. It is almost impossible to eliminate individual differences, as whether or not the child or children had phobias of dogs may have influenced how much they helped, even if they helped at all. Therefore, we are unable to assume that the behaviour from Group 1 was due to viewing prosocial media or other factors, such as having an avid interest in dogs. Artificial settings. Also, the laboratory setting may mean that whilst there is good control, it may be that the media effects are different in the real world, where lots of other variables such as mood and time can play a role in autistic behaviour. Perhaps the study being artificial means we cannot generalise the findings to real life, as how likely is it that after watching prosocial behaviour that we're going to be presented with a replica situation like the Sprafkin study? It isn't, is it? So therefore it seems to lack ecological validity. Lacks ecological validity. I don't think I wrote that. There we go. Another study into prosocial effects of media is Steiner Frederick's field experiment. He presented children with either a diet of 12 episodes of the cartoon Roger's Neighborhood, prosocial, or antisocial diet consisting 12 half-hour episodes of Batman and Superman cartoon. They can be really aggressive, to be honest. He found that children who watched the prosocial cartoon were less aggressive, more cooperative, and more willing to share with others. This is direct support that prosocial media has positive effects on child's prosocial behaviour. However, this study can be criticised due to the lack of control of other variables. We are unaware whether the behaviour is caused by the prosocial cartoon, or if it was due to viewing habits at home, even family upbringing. The prosocial viewing group may have already had such prosocial behaviours within them, and because this was not tested before the study, it lowers the internal validity of the study, as we cannot assume cause and effect. You can see that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Damn it, I keep doing that.